Hello guys, welcome back everyone. Today in this video we're going to discuss about daily Forex forecast analysis about the gold chart. So before we starting the day analysis, we check first today have any geopolitical important news or data releases events. As based on that, we have to consider as usual. You all know US shutdown still going on. Some of the US dollar also showing some of the volatility going higher because of the delayed data release events, and some US and China trade deals have in the smooth conversations based on Mr. Donald Trump and Mr. Xi meet on last week. They declare US reduce some 10% of tariff in the China. So all the datas and the events, US dollar currently make positive, but it's not confirm that, because as per Mr. Jerome Powell stands, he declared that for the next rate cut depends on the only data releases, like labor market and economic growth is increases positive, means they going to hold or maybe possible to increase the US rate. So according to that, in this moment we have to take note just of these news only. Other than that, most of the one not important now. And tomorrow Bank of England going to interest rate decisions even have, so that one only we have to take note. Okay, today most of the one anything important news events or something, it's not important about the S&P Global Service PMI and ISM Service PMI. It's not mostly not affected much more volatility. So okay, we start to analysis from the day trend as a goal. Okay, as a goal, as usual you all know, still the structure going on the buy trend, forming rally base rally, then something now forming the base. The price until coming to this level, it's considered is a short term sell only. When the price move break out this level, after that only this one consider fully selling. Until that, this one still have buy only. Okay, next we going to the 4-hour chart. We already marking the supply and demand zone based on the price retracing this place, then same that support zone again coming to take, then retrace price now moving as a consolidate. So based on that, what we expect today, you all see here price already forming the higher low, then forming big higher low, then after that here coming to breaking the structure last higher low. So it's considered now price changing the change of character. It means it's already break out the last higher low. So based on the change of character as per the market structure, what we'll do next, based on that, if anything breakout happens, once breakout happens, what will do price, this one breakout happen again going to form the lower high, then only price coming to take new lower high lower low. So price as a point coming to here only breakout, then something moving to buy position like that, but still consolidate this area. If this one have the proper sell, means it's form lower high, then only price all the way go down, then forming the new lower high. Then one more thing we have to notice, this place, it's the price movement today at near the demand area. So it is possible to price coming until this zone, last supporting, next support area here. This support already break out, so will be the next support at here. So price may be possible to take until here, take the support, touch the support, then retest, then maybe going to slowly go back. Or else, if any positive news for US, it may be touch here, then maybe retest, then go down all the way. So what will happen in the next, we will wait and watch. So based on that, we can expect today price maybe touch this next support zone, then retrace, then we notice the movement of the London zone and New York zone. Based on the buyers and sellers, its movement will go uptrend or downtrend. Okay, then for the 1 hour, if you notice that still forming the higher low, then forming here one higher low. It's not valid higher low. We take in the big picture, we see like that means it's coming to near the last higher low point. Once price break out this last higher low, it means it going to more than sell more. What we expect, maybe this price going to the next support level around 3826 or 3830 to 35. What we expect, if price continue go down means we expect price range maybe 3826 to 40, this zone. After that price one time retrace, then based on the liquidity price go uptrend or downtrend. So wait and watch. So on the 15 minutes, also it's forming the lower high, last lower high. We always find the entry before we analyze from day chart, 4 hour, 1 hour, everything based on like that. Normally the structure is like that. First we identify the trend at the day time frame. Then after that 4 hour we marking the supply and demand. Then for the 1 hour we going to check nearby this one, nearby the supply area or demand area. Then check any forming the support or resistance zone. Based on that we already confirm the trend. Then on going to the 15 minutes, we expect what we identify the trend. Based on that we have to wait for take trade. So currently we are finding gold is a sell trend, so we always expecting to the sell trend only until the price giving the breakout. Okay, now we cannot assume this one supposed to be price coming here means we cannot assume directly this one going to buy, so we can buy here. It's not like that. Normally price going to change the character means one time break out the last lower high, then price forming new higher low, coming to take the liquidity here, then only price going to follow the new structure, new buy structure. Price on as per gold today, price fully have in the current trend. On the big picture you see what I show you in the day time frame, it's forming the one full cycle only. Still it's never turned to the fully bearish, still having the bullish. On the daily time frame, based on the daily time frame, still market having the one buy trend only. Until price break this level, it's considered buy only. Maybe price until coming here, take this supply demand zone, take support, then go something, then come out, anything they can do. But until the break this level, this point level, it's considered still buy only on the daily time frame. For the internally 4 hour, 1 hour forming the sell, internal sell, forming internal sell. Now price moving as here internal sell only, so we cannot consider is fully changed to sell. It's considered internal sell, and overall trend, day trend is a buy trend. Okay, so what we expect next, price supposed to be coming here, we expect to buy here. We put stop loss very near to the bottom. If price break this level means we wait for the next change of character to change the buy. Normally we analyze the day chart, daily forecast like this. So based on that, this is for education purpose only. Based on that, don't trade any, don't take like it's a financial advice. You do your own analysis, then only going to find the trade entry. After that we going to 5 minutes. 5 minutes we see the chart. Price already one time forming the lower low, then again coming to the same level, then 5 minutes never broke the level to go down. It's forming same level, is base of the bottom, it takes support 1 2 3 times, it's take as a support. So price now tend to be changed to the character towards buy movement. We can expect to the buy movement, but this buy movement still we not confirm yet because price never give the breakout structure format. So what we do next, we will wait for the confirmation. So based on that, this one is the 5 minutes lower high. So price going to buy means what will do, it will go break the last lower high first, then forming one higher low, then go up, then come down to take the liquidity here, then only price really move to the buy trend. So we wait until the breakout structure happen, then forming the new higher low, then only we can expect to the enter the this level. So as usual, you always take the entry as your beginners, you try to take the 5 minutes or 15 minutes. So 15 minutes also, once you see the first breakout structure happen in 5 minutes, after that you're going to check the 15 minutes time frame. If 15 minutes time frame also, you can see the price breakout structure, give the breakout structure means then we are ready to take buy entry here from the higher low. So go up something, then coming to take the order block here. So here is our entry. Here is our entry. Put stop loss downside, then take profit on the 15 minutes last lower high, 15 minutes high. You can take the profit on 15 minutes last high. So based on that, we always take entry with the proper execution and based on our analysis. Okay guys, I hope this video helpful for you. If you know anything more further about details on each step, you can comment below. I will explain I try my best. Okay guys, thanks all. We will see in the next video. Bye.